Welcome, Arithmetic Ninjas, to question 21. 20% of 1,200. Now, this is a simple percentage. Now, remember, 10% is like a master key that unlocks lots of doors. If you can find 10%, all you've got to do is double it to find 20%, or triple it to find 30%, or times it by 5 to find 50%, or times it by 9 to find 90%. So, 10%, all you do is you divide by 10. And to divide by 10, you can either move all the digits one place backwards, that's especially important if your number has a decimal point. So for example, 10% of 12.9, if you move the digits back one place, is 1.29. Or 12% of 194, you move the digits back one place, would be 19.4. But if there is a 0 on the end, you can actually just knock off a 0. But that will not work if there is not a 0 there to knock off. You're going to have to move the digits then. So 10% of 1,200 is 120. What you're basically doing is, if the decimal point is there, you're moving all the digits backwards one place to get 120.0, or just 120 in other words. So if 10% is 120, 20% is going to times that by 2 to get 20%. So you're going to times your 120 by 2 to get 240. Final answer, 240.